June 29th, 2023, Karma Ghost. I've got about 80-mile-an-hour winds getting ready to hit me. Just now started to rain. If you look way back there in the distance past those trees right back there, right up there, that's the river. That is the river. And it's going to get super shitty real quick. This is not going to be nice. Very humid out now. Yeah, we've been praying for rain. Well, we're getting winds with that rain, which is not what I really wanted, but that's what we're getting. This is not going to be fun. It's just not starting in. Much needed rain, though. That's for sure. And tornadoes are not the threat. The threat is wind damage and hail. See? My trees are dying. Look at that. Leaves. It's ridiculous. It's horrible. We haven't had rain in so long. Hopefully, my car holds up with no hail damage. Oof. That water looks really dark right now. You can't see it on here, but I can see it. The sky is actually a lot darker than what it's showing too. The sky's pretty dark. Looks more gray to you guys, but it's dark gray for me. Winds are starting to pick up. Here we go. This is going to be wild ride. Wild ride, wild ride. We're supposed to get 70 plus. It's alright, puppy dogs. You guys are okay. Mama's got you. You're alright, babies. I know, you guys are alright. Here comes the winds. I might have to shut my door. Oh yeah, here comes the winds. It's okay, Momo. It's just wind, baby. I told you it's gonna rock and roll for a few. It's alright, it's moving quick. In and out, bud. It'll be here and going. I hope none of these trees break, because I am surrounded by them. Everywhere. All the way around. I got campers with their lights on. It's so dark out. And here goes my Noah. Oh yeah, she's gonna go now. Here we go. It's been very calm all morning, like silence, not even a breeze. And it was a calm before the storm. And the gusts are what's going to be the worst. There's trees on fire, I guess, in a county across the river. I'm not going to say exactly where. But those that know me know where I'm at. Here comes the gusts. Wow. Whoa. Whoa. Wow, yeah, this is pretty intense, guys. Here we go. Rocking and rolling now. I'm actually getting wet because my screen door is open. You can hear it. That's wind. I mean, it's raining, yes, but this is my wind right now. Lord, please, Creator, don't let these trees drop. It's okay, boys. It's just a windstorm. It's okay. It's all right. They've turned on the wind machine again. Whoa, 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 whoa. She's a dancing. Please don't fall. That didn't look too pretty. Should have been really bad. Please blow the other way. It's okay, babies. It's just wind. We got camper people down here freaking out. They're like, we're getting our camper out from these trees. Yeah, y'all better move those RVs. You better move them, boys and girls. It's okay, Momo. Mommy's all right. I'm right here. There's another gust. Ah, good times. Good times. And now after this sun's going to come out, it's going to be humid. Please don't break. Just stand strong. Ooh, big gust, big gust. Whoa, 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 big gust. Oh, yeah. They're dancing. They are dancing. And these are very, very tall cottonwood trees. But yeah, this is what I'm dealing with right now. So, alright. I'm going to get off here and go check the trees out back because this wind coming in is, I'm soaked. So, I love y'all. Hope y'all have a blessed day. Stay safe out there if you're in my area. Heads up to my fam down there, Kentucky, Tennessee. I hope this stuff simmers down before it hits y'all. Much love. Eyes open, no fears. Stay positive and aware. Karma goes out.